Hello everyone. Today is a home vlog. I am going to try to eliminate everything I can from this house that shouldn't be here for the estate sale. I picked today to do this. It isn't as hot in this room as it usually is. I've been watching a sewing video from Lori Holt, and I just put a TV show on Netflix in the living room. It's 8 episodes, or I think the first season. It's actually 2. It says that I've watched this and I don't remember it, nor did I like it. And usually I'm good at that, so I know if I watch something or not. This one's Polish and it's in English. So there's a lot here that I need to contend with. I probably won't finish because I'm going to get frustrated and not want to be here. But I will try to push through that. What I need to do is this area mostly. These are empty boxes. All this is empty boxes. That's my dad's stuff that I want to leave here until my dad's girlfriend comes to see if there's anything she wants from there. I'm sure she's already taken what she wanted, but just in case. This I'm not dealing with until she comes. She knows more about these things than I do. I'm going to attempt to pack that, but this is not only, it's made out of wood, and I believe it's very delicate. So I might hold off on that. We'll see. I don't honestly think it'll fit in the box that I had planned for it, so we'll see what happens. Nonetheless, I need to get some of this done, and hopefully I would like to get it done all today. The problem being, there's no air conditioning in this house, and it's going to be about 90 degrees outside, and that little air conditioner has given, I think, most of what it could give. Usually these air conditioners will last me several years, 7, 8, 10 years in New York City, because we only use them 4 months out of the year. This has been on a lot. It's cool here. It's just not pushing out into the rest of the house. I never put this in the laundry. I just haven't wanted to go out into the garage. It's really, really hot. And I actually haven't been home every single day either. But I did light this candle. This is my favorite candle at Bath & Body. It's the cafe, the one that smells like coffee and sugar donuts, I believe. I'm going to leave this burning. We need a nice aroma around here. It's daytime and it's showing in the camera that it's nighttime. There we go. I did want to mention real quick that I have been recording the past week or so with my cell phone because I feel that the quality of this camera is just really not good. That's only half of it. The other half of it is the editing software on my laptop is horrible. Horrible. I can't do anything. If I choose to put a music track over a clip, it won't apply it, and it will not mute. There's no option to mute any clips. So it makes it really hard for the copyright music and all that. I've been having a lot of trouble with that for the last week or so between recording in the stores and in the parks. So I've been working back and forth between my cell phone and my camera, and ultimately I need to use this junky camera. It's not a junky camera. It just doesn't have the megapixels I wish it would have had. And continuing to use that software until I can change everything, until I buy another computer. And I can't do any of that now. I'm not working. I can't buy anything until I get the money. So I just wanted to let you know, if you see things are weird at the beginning, at the end, and with the music tracks, and it's because I used my phone, but then when I use YouTube Studio on my phone, it's just not a good app. It really isn't. I'd really rather use this camera, sacrifice that, and use the YouTube Studio on my laptop, because I get all kinds of options to do things there. So if anyone was wondering, that's what's going on with this. But I'm not going to film a lot of me working on this stuff because it's just really boring. And I want to watch the TV show and I can't mute the clip. So I'll give you updates. I have made some progress. I have one box packed up over there with very fragile ceramics and vases and things like that. And here too, there's more random stuff up top, but these are things that I've decided I'm going to keep from all the silly stuff that I've thrown away. I rescued this bag, but now I see that it's ripped, so it's gonna go away. All of this stuff was very hard decision making. It's stressing me out so much. But this is what I'm throwing away for today so far. I still have this box. And I think that's it. This should have gone in another cross-stitch box. I might take everything out because this doesn't even fit in here. So that's the least of my problems right now. I still have this, but I've gone through more than half of that. And the stuff that was on the table there, definitely making some progress. This is almost ready to go. This I'm not keeping. This is my dad's stuff that was in his desk. I don't think anyone's going to want this, so he has a second desk. I'll put all that stuff in here and his girlfriend can go through it if she wants. But I'm pretty sure she took everything she wanted from this house. The last time she was here, she asked me about his jewelry box. I didn't know what she was talking about. I just found these closed here and wasn't sure, and I believe she brought them over here to go through them and forgot. So I just texted her and sent her a picture and asked her, is this what you were talking about? And she played crazy. So I'm pretty sure she left these here when she was scrambling to leave the day after he died. She was here. Oh, I might take those, but maybe not. I gotta stop. God, these are from the 70s. That's so funny. I really like these, but I don't want any more kitchen stuff. What in the heck are these? Oh, like from a pirate ship. Okay. I know he brought this from Riyadh. That I know. When he lived in Saudi Arabia, that he brought that back there. That. Anything that's, yeah, those pieces. Not the candy dish, but the two deer. And this, I know he brought from Riyadh. Sorry the lighting's so bad. There's no light over here. So, yeah, I'm feeling good about what I've done so far. I might not finish completely, but it's still early. It's only 3 o'clock. So, just going to keep pushing on. Okay, I'm pretty proud of the progress I've made. I have no more boxes with stuff in it that I needed to go through. Everything here is empty. That's packing material. That's a project I made for a friend's baby, and I think I'm just going to give it to her like that and do something else another time. These are all empty. These are in good condition. I'm keeping those, taking them with me. These are, I don't want them. They're not my aesthetic anymore, and I don't think my son wants them. They'll probably go in the garbage. So those pillows, they can wait. They can sit there for now. But This is empty, but there are candle votives for wax warmers and wax in there. I'm not going to get rid of that just yet. Those two boxes are just correspondence. As my stuff and my son's stuff comes in, I throw them in there. So this box, there's still room in this box, although it doesn't look like it. Some of these things are large. I'm not going to close this up just yet until I get all the photographs out of that room and out of there. Most of the picture frames I'm going to throw away, most of them. And this box, I decided, I took out the big one that didn't fit in here, and what I'm going to do is anything I want to salvage from here is going into that box. I will not be creating yet another box. This stuff I'm going to take to my storage, rearrange some things, and see if I can fit these in there. Otherwise, they'll have to stay here. But I don't want them to stay here. I'd rather them be over there. This isn't anything I will need anytime soon. I'm not going to forget this or my dad's helicopter. I just think they're safer where they are right now. There's a couple of things behind those mattresses that I can't reach, and obviously all of his pictures with his classic cars that he's had through the years, his hot rods. But everything else is either going to his girlfriend's house or the estate sale. So I think this is going to be the big job, I guess, tomorrow. I already did this one. It doesn't look like it, but all the drawers are empty and I've gone through everything here. So we are in much better standing right now. And I spoke to my dad's girlfriend a little while ago. We were texting each other. She's coming in 2 weeks. So I still have potentially 3 weeks, but I'm not. I need to finish this now because it's making me nuts. These are all donations. Puzzles, empty boxes, and some other things. So I think I'm doing pretty good. I don't know if I mentioned before, that's going to my son's storage. He needs to take that in his next trip. And I covered this and this. The kitchen I'm not worried about right now. Most of what's here is going to donation as I vacate the house. Most of it, except for my Pioneer Woman stuff and my tumblers, but I donated everything else already. So sorry it's been such a boring video today, but this is my life right now, and I wanted to take today to do all of this, to get myself that much farther along, because all the procrastinating over here was really weighing on me, and I didn't want to do it. I knew I had to do it, and I was even telling myself I can do it the day before they come. No, I really should not do that, and I'm glad I forced myself to do this. It's just so damn hot in this house. It says it right here. I'm not exaggerating. I'm so not exaggerating. It is 80 degrees and I'm doing physical activity. So goodbye to this. I'm going to finish this episode that I'm watching here of this Polish show, The Meyer in 97. It's okay. It's not that great. It's okay. And that's it. And I have not eaten yet. It is 4:23 p.m. I have not eaten, even though I cooked that food earlier. I'm just too hot. I can't eat. So I'm going to close out this video, guys. Thank you. If you watched to the end, you have no idea how much I appreciate it. And I'll see you tomorrow.